All right, so I thought I'd started this recording, but it's all right. So I got in my first entry right here. The next one, as it pulled back and gave me this tiny little bar in the 233, I'm really watching this closely because it's not really following through like I'd like to see it do, but I guess we shall see. It's going to take 3 of my targets out at the first spot. My second one I'm going to push off just a little bit further. Sorry, I had a message come in. Still pushing up. Yeah, there we go. Let it take that first target out, and then I'll move that final one to a break even and let it run. There we go. This is definitely a spot where it could pull back. It's not really giving us a very convincing push up. And if it pulls back, it could pull back to right where I have my risk at. It's really best to have it right behind that last little pivot area, even a tick behind there, which isn't bad if you look at it. It's only got, 3 ticks in risk? 1, 2, 3, yep. Ooh, it looks like this one's going to give us, we've got a reversal bar here, here. I still could push up. Sorry, my dog is snoring heavily in the background. Pulling in this kind of close just by looking at the way these are reacting. They're not giving a strong push up, but there's no reason to be back here. Just trying to give me some reversal bars. This is probably still going to go up. Yeah. I could actually even move this up just a little bit more while I'm waiting for what it's going to do here. I'll lock in just a little bit more profit if this pushes up. Actually, either way, I'll take it right here. All right, I think we're gonna... I like the way this is pushing up still at the top, but it's giving me a false sense that it's really gonna push up from here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my profits at this point. If it does push up, as you've heard me say many times, I'm fine with that. I'm just seeing some potential for divergence along here, some weakness, some slowdown. Well, looking at my higher time frames, this may just keep going. But whenever I see things like this, I know that it could give me a really decent pullback. So I don't want to be in the midst of a very strong pullback. I'd have been taken out at this point with my wrist being back behind here. You know, and this is all stuff that during the course that I have, I'm teaching to my students about how to read these type of things. You know, the last place you could have put your risk is way back here, and you don't want to be way back here when you've already got something like 4 points in profit. So no reason to give all that back. So let's see, that's 2 trades. This is, there's, out of this, it was 6.5 points. And then this was another 4, so that's a 10.50. It may continue up from right here at this point. It's a weak pullback, some reversal bars to the upside. So this may be where it continues. But yeah, 10.50. Let's see. I don't have the times that, let's see, in about, I don't know, about 10 minutes. So we're just going to call that a day. I've got some other things to work on, some doctor's appointments. And guys, just so you know, I have been in and out of the doctor a lot lately. I've got a lot going on with my kids as well. So I'm not ignoring y'all. I do have days where I've traded that I recorded and I just had so much going on I wasn't able to put it up. I will still put those up if you like. If y'all give me some feedback and want me to put those up and have those out, then we can definitely do that. I don't know. I feel like sometimes after a few days has passed, putting them up may not be, you know, something y'all even want to see. But if you do, let me know and I'll put those out there. Otherwise, happy Monday, and we'll catch y'all on the profitable side.